Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and in this pattern this is a row wise pattern and also formed a rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern we print alphabets instead of numbers. So the sky value of capital E is 69 and sky value of capital A is 65. So we used nested for loop to draw this pattern. Outer for loop is used for rows and inner for loop is used for column. So firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we used 5 as a lower limit, 0 as a upper limit, and -1 is the step value. So this outer loop will move from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and in inner loop we used 5 as a lower limit and I -1 as a upper limit, where I is a variable of outer loop and -1 is the step value. And inside this inner loop we point the inside this inner loop we point the variable I and variable I plus 64, and we typecast the I variable into character type because I variable stores numbers. So we typecast the I variable value into character type, and outside the inner for loop we used empty point function for cursor to the next line. So we execute Python pattern program with the help of Python space filename.py. So the above output is shown as below. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, because this is the easiest way to draw this pattern. And if you have any doubt or query related to this pattern, you can text me in the comment section. And in this pattern I is a variable that is used for moving the rows and j is a variable that is used for moving the columns. So I hope you understand, and thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi. And if you guys really enjoyed this pattern programming series, then थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। एंड आप इसी तरीके से आगे प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए और नेक्स्ट सीरीज के लिए बने रहिए। हैव अ नाइस डे।